Since I've started my networking adventure, so-called adventure, the biggest challenge was access control lists. Why? Because for me, personally, everything was very easy to understand just if I read the material for that subject. With access control lists was different. I read the material 3 times, and each time I thought I got it, I didn't. So at the end, third time, I decided to ask my instructor, and he said, if you want to prevent, let's say this computer, from reaching this one, if we are using an extended access control list, you have to configure the access control list closest to the source, unlike the standard access control list. So, if you want to prevent this computer from accessing this one, so the traffic comes from this computer, enters the router, exits the router, and goes to the other router to reach the PC3. So if we let's just configure the access control list. Of course it is incomplete. Okay, deny IP host. This host was 192.168.2.2. Host. The destination IP address is the PC3's IP address, which is 192.168.2.130. Okay. Okay, it has the implicit deny, so we have to fix it because it won't work as we want it to. Okay, so if we check the interface gigabit 00, show IP. Okay, so it says outgoing access control list not setting and inbound access control list. Okay, so what we're gonna do is choose a direction. So if the traffic goes from this computer in the router and the closest to the source is gigabit 0/0 interface, and we are configuring this interface as the inbound. So we are going to configure this access control list as inbound on gigabit 0/0. So let's get to this interface and IP access group. It says number and inbound or outbound. Inbound. Let's see what that did. Okay, ping the PC 192.168.2.130, unreachable. Let's try to ping it from this PC. Okay, ping 192.168.2.130. Okay, fine. Let's try this again. No access list 100. Okay. Show access list. No access list. Let's do this one. Let's prevent any host from reaching PC3. Any. So all of this is denied. Okay. Access list 100 deny IP any to host 192.168.2.130. Okay, so if we want to permit them all, we have to choose this interface because this is the source. Let's enter was it one? Okay, IP access group, okay, 100, and it's inbound again because the traffic has to get inside the router to be able to reach the PC3. Okay, and if we use this interface, that would be outbound, of course, if this is the source. Okay, outbound. Okay, well, let's just try with the last PC. Host unreachable. Let's try in this PC. Host unreachable. Let's get to interface gigabit 00 IP access group 100 out. Okay, the same thing. Let's try delete. No access list 100. Okay, it works. Okay, so if we wanted to prevent this PC from reaching this PC, we use this router. If we use this interface, it's inbound. If we use this one, it's outbound. I hope this helps you understand how the inbound and outbound works, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Bye.